I went down to a size 4 and couldn't get off the couch to get myself even a banana. Cherry Lavalette. I'm a hospice nurse, but currently I'm not working because of Lyme disease. I was diagnosed with Lyme disease 14 years ago, saw over 23 different doctors, and was told that it was conversion disorder, all in my head, knowing that my body was falling apart. I went down to a size 4 and couldn't get off the couch to get myself even a banana. One of my sister's friends had biomagnetic therapy, and she recommended me to go see a practitioner. It was experience a lot of brain fog and concentration and pain in my lower back, and it helped my concentration and brain fog 100%, and it helped the pain in my back some. The session the other day that Dr. Garcia did was emotional pairs, and I had been in a couple car accidents in the past quite a while ago, and one of the things we focused on was essential tremors, which I've had since I was diagnosed with the Lyme. And currently the essential tremors, the hand is not moving. It's pretty great to have that happen for the first time in a very long time. Having Dr. Garcia practice on me was truly an honor, but having everybody around me, I was kidding around saying I'm taking one for the team, because I knew that people would be surrounding me and would be listening and writing notes. Dr. Garcia is amazing. He's just so incredibly sweet and kind and makes you feel so comfortable. And I truly, when he was working on me, it was amazing because he just made me feel comfortable. He made me laugh, and I was so nervous about it, and he totally put me at ease.